All right, man, you dropped this all the way down here. What you trying to do?
I'm surprised y'all showed up. Okay, look, me and my team about to knock you and your nigga out on the count of 3. All right, 3.
Who?
Hey, even Wookiees need a little love. Call now at 1-900.
We are back in the court, you rat bastards. We's back in the courts. We doing all of the court stuff. And yes, while I was washing my face, water ran down my arm. We doing all of the court stuff. So we're back in the courts. I want to say real quick before we go any further, I am extremely impartial.
Flashback.
I'm telling you, I think Taxstone wanted to fuck Troy Ave. If I ever talk to Troy Ave about this, this is a conversation I'm gonna have with him. I have no biases.
Flashback.
I don't know how long Taxstone was talking about Troy Ave. I have not the slightest idea. But you don't think a nigga start turning gay? A nigga who, if he's focusing on fucking Troy Ave all the time, you don't think he's gonna start turning gay? I was only able to speak. I only heard communications right now that kind of really heavily imply certain things. That's all I've been able to give you.
See, now that's some bullshit.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Flashback.
Just so we can be clear. In any regard, yo, Taxstone wanted to fuck Troy Ave, and I don't care what nobody say. But if I have the opportunity to speak to any side, both sides, I would love to do that. I walk into the courtroom today, and I'm going to say this much, right? And this is probably has to do a lot with the way that we covered the Tekashi trial. You can see that the people who are actually covering the case, they know a good court reporter when they see one. I want to discuss facts, and I want to discuss what we think about the facts. I don't just want to discuss, I don't want to at all discuss what we think about hypotheses or whatever. I'm thinking this thing. There's no proof that leads to any of this stuff, but I know.
Flashback.
I think Taxstone went to fuck this nigga. Once again, if Taxstone people, if I'm able to speak with them, hopefully I'll get to speak with them next time. I don't know, because you don't never know how people are going to receive you. You understand what I'm saying?
What did you say, nigga?
Like, so I don't really be wanting to go up to people too much and be like, do you want to talk about this case? Because people always assume, like, if you're the news, especially if they're the guy, if their guy is the one that's on trial, and like I learned this the hard way when dealing with the Tekashi 6ix9ine situation.
How you doing, my brother? This is the goofy nigga that's calling Shotty a snitch.
Like, they always assume that you want to like say something bad about their people.
Flashback.
Yo, Taxstone wanted to fuck Troy Ave, and I don't care what nobody say. Like, nobody want to say nothing bad about your people. I don't get paid. I'm gonna get paid like whether I say something good or bad. Like, yo, Taxstone wanted to fuck Troy Ave, and I don't care what nobody say. I'm gonna get the content whether I say something good or bad. I don't have no reason to want to say anything bad about your people. Did you ever get the feeling that Taxstone wanted to have sex with you? What was some of the ways in which he was, proposing himself to you? Did some of it seem feminine?